Hey guys, Digi here. I figured I'd give you an update since I haven't been posting any videos in a while. I did finish my computer. It's completely finished now in the NZXT Phantom case. Let's take a look at what's inside here. Let me turn it on for you so you guys can see better. Take off the side panel. Let's see, I got my AMD 965 Black Edition CPU. Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus cooler, 120mm fan. I also have 4 gigabytes of 1866 Corsair memory to work with it. I overclocked it. My CPU is running currently at 4 gigahertz. And here's a little odd piece right here. This isn't what you think it is. This is actually an 8800 GTS. Retro, huh? And fortunately right now, this card will not output a VGA for my TV over there. I have to use this old ratty monitor that's only running at like 480p. It sucks, but it works for gaming. It works incredibly well for gaming. And I got a nice 320 gig for now, 320 gig hard drive. I'm gonna probably put 2 terabytes right here for now. And then I got a 750 watt TR2 750 watt bronze power supply for about 89 bucks. I'm gonna be doing some benchmarks, more CPU stuff, and please, if you like the video, please comment, rate, subscribe.